Hi children, so welcome back to the max class. So this is like still now all the videos have been done for you for the sake of trigonometry related to the only first exercise children, and now we are going with the concept of the second exercise which is related with the angles. Okay, so in order to go before moving into the second exercise, let us discuss about how these angles and what are values to be remembered here. But I don't tell that it is very useful for you to have a rod type of learning. In a simple way we can learn this table so that it helps us a lot in finding the value of the trigonometric things. Okay, now let us see, these are all the 6 trigonometric ratios which are given, and the angles of 0 to 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees are to be found. Now what you have to do is I don't suggest you that you can just by heart it. Only thing, make sure that you know the table so that at least you can write the table when you are doing the problems. So as you do, children, what happens is as you do number of sums related to this angles, you will be addicted with that numbers actually. Okay, so no one needs to tell you about it. Okay, so now let us see how easy it is to learn this table. Yes, so first one is sine, where the sine value starts from 0, children. So sine 0 degrees value is 0, and sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degrees is 1. So as far as me, if you learn only this line of sine, it helps you a lot to find the values of the other remaining trigonometric ratios. Now let us see with the cos. Okay children, once again repeating, sine 0 degrees is 0, sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degrees is 1. Cos. Now cos, see cos how you will write? Cos is nothing but cos 0 degrees is 1. Cos 0 degrees is 1. See, from backward you will write cos 0 degrees is 1. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. This one. Okay. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. And cos 90 degrees is 0. Okay. Just write the vice versa of that. Okay. Write the vice versa of that. Next, coming to the tan. So as we have discussed earlier, from the thing, tan means nothing but in terms of sine and cos, sine by cos. Yes or no? So sine by cos. So 0 by anything will give you only 0. Yes or no? Yes children? Yes. So 0 by anything gives you 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. That means it gives you 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. It gives you 1. So they'll get cancelled children. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. It gives you root 3. 1 by 0. So this is a very big mystery for everyone. So 0 by anything, usually casually we write it as 0. But what about the value where the denominator is 0? Where then the denominator is 0, you should write it as undefined. You should write it as undefined. Is that clear children? So it is undefined. Now coming, see the first main trigonometric 3 ratios are completed, and accordingly let us go with the cosec. So cosec is nothing but the reciprocal of sine. So sine value is 0. That means 0 by something is equals to 0. Yes. So if it is the reciprocal means the 0 goes to the denominator. Then the value of this becomes undefined. Undefined. So this becomes 1 by 2. If you write the reciprocal, it becomes 2. And this becomes root 2. This becomes 2 by root 3. And this becomes 1. So is that clear? I have written all the cosec things, means the values of the cosec using sine, because as it is the reciprocal of sine. Now even secant also in the same way. 1 reciprocal is 1, and secant the reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of that is root 2. Next 2. So wherever 0 is there, you will be getting undefined. Why? Because 0 is the value where you will be where you get it when the numerator is 0. So if you write the reciprocal for that, 0 by something is 0. Something by 0 is undefined automatically. Right. So now coming to the last trigonometric ratio, which is cot. So cot degrees. So cot is reciprocal of tan. Yes, no? So I told you wherever it is 0, if you have to write the reciprocal, it is undefined. Next, the value of this is root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and wherever it is undefined you get 0 actually. If you want, you can just cross check it. So see, secant undefined, it becomes 0 there. So they are both vice versa. Either you have to get it as a 0 or you should get it as an undefined. Okay, so both are vice versa. So if you have 0, if you have to write the reciprocal for that, it becomes undefined. If it is undefined, you get 0. Okay, so this is the way how you have to write the table or learn the table. So all the values are very much important, children, in order to solve the trigonometric things. So the second exercise of your textbooks of state and central board both are related with the only the angles where you have number of questions here. Okay, children. So get ready to solve the next exercise.